The most important thing you need to know about the atom is that they are everywhere across the universe. Every physical piece of matter is made out of atoms. Supposedly, if you were to break down, let's say, my finger into its smallest possible piece of matter, it would be an atom. And the same is true for all the atoms, including the ones in my body, this building, the earth, everything. At least that's what the Greeks thought a couple thousand years ago when they invented the word atom. Because there was supposed to be nothing smaller than the atom. But since then, we found subatomic particles, which just means particles even smaller than the atom. Now, these particles have names. There's the electron, the proton, and the neutron. The proton and neutron live together inside the nucleus. The nucleus is just the centre. It's the home in the middle of the atom. The electron orbits somewhere around. Now you can have different amounts of electrons, protons and neutrons inside of an atom. In fact, the different amount you have is what we call different elements, like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. They all have different amounts of these subatomic particles. Now, nuclear fusion, which is what suns essentially do during their lifetimes, that is just when the nucleus, where the proton and neutron live, merges with the nucleus of another particle. Now you've got to understand, an atom is very, very small. There are trillions inside my body alone, and they're mostly empty space. So in order to fuse two together, you need to have a lot of mass to give a lot of gravity to squeeze them into a heavier element, and that is what nuclear fusion is. So that is the difference between a cloud of dust and a star. It's when nuclear fusion first takes place. I got there. You might have to rewatch this one. There's a lot to learn about atoms and subatomic particles. They're pretty weird, but we're all made of them, so I guess that means we're all weird. Have a great day.